Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to use the file manager in the Plesk control panel. Without wasting any time, let's roll out the intro and get into the video. This video is available in multiple languages. Go to YouTube video settings and open audio track option and choose your desired audio track. As a first step, log into your Plesk control panel. On the left side menu bar, you can see the option named Files. Click and open it. Now you can see that your Plesk file manager has been opened. Now let's see how to create a new file and new folder in the Plesk file manager. In the file manager left side top corner you can see the plus icon. Click it, a drop down menu will appear. On the menu click on the create file option. Here you can see the checkbox named use the HTML template. If you click it, it will create a blank HTML page. If you are going to use the file for the HTML purpose, click it and enter the file name and click the OK button. Now you can see that your file has been created. To create a new folder, click the same plus icon and click on the create directory button. Now enter your folder name and click the OK button. Now you can see that your folder has been created. Now let's see how to rename the file in the Plesk file manager. On the same file manager, on the right side straight to the file, you can see the 3-line menu bar. Click and open it. On that menu bar, click on the rename option. Here, rename your file and click the OK button. And now you can see that your file has been renamed. You can also follow the same steps to rename the folder in the Plesk control panel. Now let's see how to move the files or folders in the Plesk file manager. First, select the files that you want to move to another folder. Now click on the move option in the top menu bar. Now select the folder that you want to move these files. Once the folder is selected, click on the OK button. Now if you go to the destination folder, you can see the files that was moved to this folder. To copy the files, select the files and click on the copy button on the top menu bar. Here, select the folder and click on the OK button. Now the file has been copied to the destination folder. Now let's see how to download the file and folder in the Plesk file manager. On the file manager right side, for each file you can see 3-line menu bar. Click it. Here you can see the download button. Click to download the file. You can't able to download the folder in the file manager. To download the folder, first we need to compress it. Select the folder and click on the archive button on the top menu bar. Here select add to archive button. Now enter the file name and click the OK button. If you wait for a few seconds, your folder will be compressed as zip. Now click the same 3-line menu bar for the zip file and click the download button to download it. To extract the zip file, click on the same 3-line menu bar and click the extract files button. In the pop-up tab, tick the checkbox replace existing files if you need and click the OK button. If you wait for a few minutes, your files will be extracted. Now let's see how to delete a file in Plesk file manager. First, select the files that you want to delete. Now click the remove button on the top menu bar. Now tick the checkbox, skip the recycle pin and click S remove button. Now the selected files has been deleted. Now let's see how to change the permissions of the file. Click the 3-line menu bar for the file that you want to change the permission. Here click the last option, change permissions. In this page, you can change your file's permission. Once you saved it, click the save button to save the file permissions. You can also follow the same steps to change the permissions for the folder. Now let's see how to upload the file in the Plesk file manager. Go to the folder that you want to upload the file. Now click on the plus icon on the top menu bar. On the drop down menu, click on the upload file option. Now select the file from your system. Wait for a few seconds, the file will be uploaded. Now again click the plus icon and click on the upload directory button. Now drag and drop the folder here. Now the folders and the files are uploading. Once the folder is uploaded, you can see the uploaded folder on the destination folder. Double click the folder and open it. You can see the uploaded files here. Now again click the plus icon and click on the option import file via URL. Now here specify the source URL of the file. And finally click the import button. Now the file from the source URL automatically imported to the Plesk file manager. Finally, let's see the additional tools of the Plesk file manager. Now select the file and click on the more option on the top menu bar. Now click on the change timestamp option. If you click it, the time of the last modification time of the file will be updated. For example, the selected file's file modification time and date has been changed. Now again select the file, click on the more option and click on the calculate size button. It will calculate the size of the folder or the file. And you can see the result on the top. Now again click the more option and click on the view options button. Here you can change the layout of the file manager and the content of the directory is now displaying. If you want to change these settings, change it and click on the OK button to save. That's all friends. If you have any doubts in the details mentioned in this video, please contact our SeekaHost India support team. They will assist you on that. If you are looking for the Plesk hosting, please check our SeekaHost India Plesk hosting packages. It comes with various resources at the affordable price. If you find this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the instant update about the videos, don't forget to press the bell icon.